Let's start with the design. Now click on View tab and untick grid lines. This will make your worksheet look neat and clean. Next, let's now rename the sheet 1 as Home. Let's now start the design of the tool header. I prefer blue, since we are working with SAP S/4HANA, because I want to make the color relevant to the third-party application. Note, you may use any color you like. Now, let's copy the color from cell B3 until the cell F3. Then click on Merge Cells. Next on the header, type in BATCHMAN macro tool. Let's now resize the columns. Let us now start naming the data source labels. First label is the connection name. Second label is the connection ID. Third label is the application path. Fourth label is the transaction code. Fifth label is the file name. Sixth label is the folder location. Lastly, file path. Now, resize the rows to 6.75. Let's now create the values to be used. For connection name, P1, S4/HANA Production. For connection ID, P1. For application path, go to search bar on your computer and find the SAP application and copy the file path. For transaction code, BATCHMAN. For file name, concatenate the transaction code and add time and date stamp. Use the formula on the screen. For folder location, use the formula on the screen linked to your file path. Now we are almost done with the design. Make sure to rename the cell names according to the values on the screen. This will make it easier for coding, and it will be easier to understand rather than using default cell ID. It'll be safer if there is any changes on the design, easier to audit and update, especially for newbies. Let me just add gray background color on the adjusted rows. Let's start coding. Open Visual Basic on the Developer tab, or you may use the keyboard shortcut Alt+F11. do a test run. Thank you for watching. For more automation tutorials using Excel VBA macro and SAP, please kindly support my YouTube channel. Click follow, like, and subscribe. Comment what projects you want to work on. Let's work on it soon.